Alright guys, I'm running game 1154 for Justin, which is the Weapon H signed book by Clayton Crane. We've got 83 spots there, which I've dragged already. Get a timestamp. Uh, 9:26 on Wednesday the 1st of September. 9:26 on Wednesday the 1st of September here in Perth. So spot 83 we've got Tyler. Spot number 1 we've got Dak. Spot number 1 we've got Dak. Down to Tyler at spot 83. Roll that dice. 3 dice roll. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, let's go. First roll. Second roll. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. So 11 times, what are we up to? 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13. 2 more to go. 12. Unlucky last. Good luck everyone. Contact Justin when you've seen this. Alright, 11 times. Sorry, 13 times. It's a bit late at the moment. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Alright, good luck. Spot number 1 we have Tyler. When with his fake running of the punt seems to have worked. Spot number 82. Well done, mate. Done. 9:28. 9:28 there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Tyler's in the top spot there, and it was rolled 13 times. Thanks everyone.